Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks Online as a beginner and walk you through the main tools you need to know when getting started. So when you first open QuickBooks Online, you may see your account or subscription page. So this is where you can check the current plan, billing status, and available QuickBooks services. You may also see QuickBooks Time, which is used for tracking employee hours, schedules, and timesheets. And on the left side, you'll find the main navigation menu. So this is where you can go to Home, Reports, Accounting, Expenses, Sales, and other tools. And if you click the Create button, QuickBooks will show you quick actions like creating an invoice, receiving a payment, adding an expense, recording a bill, making a bank deposit, or adding a product or service. Next, the bookmark section lets you save pages you use often, like bank transactions, so that you can open them faster later. After that, the home page gives you a quick business overview. So in here, you can see profit and loss, expenses, cash flow, bank accounts, and quick buttons for common tasks. The business feed shows updates, reminders, or suggestions from QuickBooks. Then in reports, you can check important business reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, accounts receivable, and customer reports. In bank transactions, you can connect a bank account or upload transactions manually, which helps track income and expenses. The expenses section is where you can view or add business expenses under sales and get paid. You can also create invoices, estimates, receive payments, sales receipts, and bank deposits. Now, for pricing, QuickBooks shows different plans like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. The Simple Start is usually the best option for beginners because it already includes the basic tools for tracking income and expenses, creating invoices and codes, and managing simple business records. Essentials is better if you need more users, bill management, or multi currency features. Plus is useful if your business needs inventory tracking, budgeting, recurring transactions, or class and location tracking. Advanced is more for Advanced is more for bigger businesses that needs more users, custom reports, workflow automation, and more control. So if you're just starting out, Simple Start is the easiest plan to begin with, and you can always upgrade later when your business needs more features. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.